me is the Realme GT Neo 2 smartphone, which is recently launched in India. Now this smartphone somewhere sits between Realme's previous launches, which were Realme GT and Realme GT Master Edition. I will talk about this phone, we'll start with the unboxing and we'll go to the specifications and the features of this smartphone. Hi, you're watching India Today Tech. This is Simran Srivastava with you, and let's just get into the video. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out any notification from us. So without a further ado, let's just unbox this beast. So here is the Realme GT Neo 2 box with me. This is the packaging. It comes in this black box. I have the black Neo color variant with me, and the specification, I've got the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM storage variant. So let's unbox it. Putting it aside, you get the paperwork first. It's the paperwork given exploring the aesthetics of technology. This is the handset here, and let me remove it out of the plastic cover. So here is the handset. It has got this dual tone matte finish. I have the black Neo variant with me. We'll talk about the handset in detail. So let me set it up, and I've kept it aside. Apart from the phone, you get is this case. Again, it is in matte finish, and it's somewhere grayish in tone. So this is the mobile case, and here's the Super Dart charger, and this is a 65 watt fast charging Super Dart charger. Along with this, you get the charging cable. So that's all about the inside box details. Now let me just get back to the phone. So I've set up this phone. Now first let's talk about the design. I have the Realme GT Neo Black here. It comes in other two color variants as well, Neo Green and Neo Blue. Now look wise, it looks quite premium. It has got this dual tone glass finish. It is in matte again, but you get few fingerprint smudges. The smudges are not much visible, but there are like fingerprint smudges when you hold the phone. The camera module is very big. We'll talk about it in detail. Below you get this USB port and the audio segment. There is no jack provided here. Now as soon as you switch on, this is the display. The display is quite bright. It has a 6.62 inch screen, which is again AMOLED Full HD screen, and it has also got 120 Hz of refresh rate, which is very common in smartphones these days. Now you get different modes like auto select, standard and high. You can set the phone on standard, which is 60 Hz, or high, which is 120 Hz of refresh rate, or auto select. The phone will automatically change the refresh rate according to your usage. Now the smartphone packs Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G processor and has also got some pre-installed app. It comes in two configurations. One is 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. The other one is 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Now Realme here again provides you with an option of dynamic extendable RAM up to 7 GB. In case if you have used up all the RAM which is provided by them, you can just shoot up to 7 GB RAM, which is again a good feature. Now coming to the camera, it has got a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera and an 8 megapixel wide angle camera. The selfie camera is of 16 megapixel. We have clicked some shots using the camera, and it has also got different shooting modes like time lapse, street mode, panorama mode, 64 megapixel portrait mode, etc. So we shot some pictures using this smartphone, and the pictures look great. This picture was shot in the portrait mode. The background is clear, and as you can see, the object is very well highlighted. The colors are great. So we clicked this picture with 5x zoom, and the letters are sharp here. This is the selfie mode and in portrait. So this selfie was clicked in portrait mode. The background is blurred and the picture is highly defined. This is the normal selfie. the color definition is good. This is the ultra wide angle shot and the landscape looks great, but when you zoom in you have this dark shadows on the corner. So it packs 5000 mAh battery. This is our first impression of the Realme GT Neo 2. Stay tuned for our final review.